Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. This is Armin again here, and today is 28th March 2024. Let's make next part. First of all, let's run application. Let's run application. Let's see how it looks like at the time. What's problem here? Here. Let me see here. In this part, we want to map all incoming number here to our database. For that thing, we need to make a use of our backend database. And now let's see how we make this one. First of all, let's run it and see how it looks like at the time, and after that we go for the next. I need also implement bet to give users opportunity to set a bet amount there, and just I'm waiting now here for this application to run. Okay, now let's go to casino page. This is how it looks like at the current time. I say here I choose two number and I say start, and just it say which number is coming. Number 6 is winning number, but color is black and the number is even. Now I need to map all incoming numbers in my database. Why I'm gonna do that? Because we want to know, for example, number 6 how many times coming, and so on. First of all, I make new C# class here, which is in my model. I say here new item, and the name of the class incoming number, for example C#, and here I need to say here, okay, first data member is just integer, and because I'm using entity framework, and I say here the name of the class and ID, I need that for my entity framework. And here first of all I want to say date and time. Which date and time was that? Date time in, and the next one is just here I can say date and time, date time dot now, because that's when I spin, that's the current time. And here I say here that is incoming number. Okay, and here incoming number T, the name should be something else than the class. Here in my DB context, which you saw in the first part, where is it? Here is what I need, and I want to say here, for example, I copy one of my database and take a say here incoming number and incoming number. Okay, now entity framework knows how to deal with this, and now I need to make a database. For that thing I'm coming here and I say here add migration, which is standard command, and here I say here the name, add incoming number class, add migration, build succeed, and here I say just now update my database. Here is what you see here. This table is going to make in my data, and now just here copy this one, I put it here, update database. These are a standard command, and this command is gonna make that table or that class in my database. If you look at carefully here, here is it. You can track it here. I'm going to my SQL server. I say here databases, that was shopper 7 tables, and I expect to see incoming number table, which is now view data. Manicam killing my PC. Just let me for a while close this chat room here. Okay, this table, incoming number ID, date and time in, and incoming number. Okay, now let's go back. Now we have a database table there, and I need to go back to my component. No interface here, no. Okay, here first of all, here I need other input to ask my user. For example, put your bet amount. Okay, and I say here first of all your bet amount, and here I want to say bet amount is an integer, public integer, and bet amount. Okay, bet amount, and I'm going to bind this one with this bet amount here. Okay, now we have to input. First I'm gonna enter the numbers what I like to bet on, and the second one is the amount. Okay, and now I think I need other property here, and I say here your credit. For example, I say here credit is equal to 100. We give every user 100 credit here, and 100 credit for each user. And here just let's go back here. As you know, if you guess the right number, for example, if you choose number 1 and incoming number is also number 1, your bet amount is gonna be 60 times multiply 63. I mean, if you put $1, you get $36 back, something like this. Okay, and for that I need to say if in that condition, if that is correct, I want to say credit, which is this one. Credit is equal to bet amount times 36 in this approach, and if not, credit is equal to credit, or credit is equal to credit mean bet amount. Okay, bet amount, just like this. And now first let's test it. After that we want to put it in database. Let me see, is that okay? And here I say p credit is at credit, and now let's run it. Just run it for now. Just wait a moment. Just run it. Now at this point, nothing saved to in our database. Just we want to check it, or it is okay. If it is okay, then we put data in our database. Okay, I'm going here. Now as you see here, we have credit is 100. Place your bet and place your bet amount. For example, I choose for number 10, number 20, and I need to put, if I put now here 120, this is a bug. Okay, for that I say okay, $50, and now let's start it. Okay, as you see, my credit goes to 50 because incoming number was 8 and I had credit of 100, bet amount was 50, and now credit is 50. Okay, now this is okay. Now let me come here. Now I need to put these things in my database for incoming number. This is important because if you go and play real roulette one, I'm talking about machine roulettes. Okay, sometimes you see a specific number doesn't come for a whole day, or I don't know, you see, for example, because we want to track that daily, which number is coming, which number is coming more than other numbers. And here, let me see how I'm gonna do that. Now we have a database class. Now here I can say inject, inject, what was the name? Inject shopper dot data dot application db context data as context. Okay, okay, as context. Okay, now here when a random number is coming here in this point, I want to say here underline context dot let me see how a context dot what incoming number, if I'm right, dot add, how was that, dot, let me see how was that, just context, how syntax was like, let me see, context dot context dot add, is this right syntax? Add incoming number, nope, just let me see, context, let me see, context dot let me see, was that model items, where is my the context dot incoming number, context dot incoming number, and here we have add, I think, okay, add, and after add I say here after add, it's just like this, I think. Let me see, or I'm getting it. It's new model incoming number. I think the data here, let me check, or I can also say here, let me come here, where is my model class, incoming number. Here let me say this is just here, and here where is it? Date and time in is equal to date and time that now, and incoming incoming no, which was the other property here? Let me check. Incoming number t, which is here, is equal to this one, if I'm not wrong. Incoming number, what's the problem here? Okay, and here, and I say here just like this, and after that I say context dot save changes async here. Is it okay? Okay, let's test it. I think, or you can also make an object of that class here. After that, let me see, we want now to see that incoming number with the time in our database. Let's refresh this. This is now empty at the time. Let's check it out. Let's see. I'm not sure, but let's test it. PC killing. Let's say, for example, here number 10 and $10 bet. I need to see incoming number in my database with data. Number 6 is coming. Let's see, number 6. Okay, each time that roulette wheel, look at this one, the time and incoming number. Let's do one more time. Number 26. And just like this, I need to check to save all incoming numbers. Okay, this is okay. And now let's go back there. Okay, bet amount. Now I have here all numbers here, save changes, and that's also okay. And now let me make here other method here. I say here I need to make a button here. For example, I say here a button here. That button I need to check here on clicked. When the user click on this button, it gets 200, 100 free credit to play, for example. Okay, and for that I say here void set credit, void return nothing, void time. When you say void time, you expect nothing to return. Okay, and I say here I have here credit if let me see, oh, this is okay, credit is less than 50, then credit is equal to 100. If a credit is smaller than 50, each time that user clicks there, he gets credit. Let me see, or this is working. Like, I'm going to do this like this. Here this button I need to put here in this button calls that function. Let me see, or that is okay. Let me see, or that is okay. Let me see, or that works here. I need also incoming number here to You see my PC is just killing because of this Manicam task manager, and you see it's 90 degrees here easily, 97%. And here look at this one, you see this is because of the software Manicam, which is crazy. That's why. Okay, here okay, first of all let me close this one. I'm coming here, just easy break line, and now run it. It's just amazing. 99%. Wow. Come on. That's crazy. Let's wait. Oh yeah, here. I go to casino one, and I say here number 10. I need to put 80 of my credit, and I say start. Oh, here is start. Now I have 20 credit. I expect what happened there? Let me check it. On click credit. What's the problem here? Okay, I need to make a component for this one. In the real time, when I click, the credit should be changed. But wait a moment here. I say here, for example, get credit. This is for the next part. And let me see here. Credit. Oh, sorry. I don't know. Let's check it out. We can also make a component for that, only for credit, a separate component only for credit, because the next part we want to make also for each user a separate table to track that credit also. Let's check. For example, number 10. My PC is burning, and I say 80 credit, and now start the game. Credit is 20 each time. Okay, one more time. I think I like to make component for that. This is also okay. And now last, you have now 10 credit. For example, let's say I need to put 20 credit. I have last 20 credit. I'm going to bet it, and now I have 0. I get free credit to play. And if I'm checking my database, all numbers are here with the time, and everything is amazing. Okay guys, this is for the next part, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day, and ciao.